What's up? It is the natural time bomb again, and I'm coming to you with a food review. And I'm a fat person at heart, and I really love food, so I feel like, hey, why not add it to my channel? I've been looking for these everywhere, and I didn't find it. My mom actually found it, and she got me too. So today I will be doing a food review of the birthday cake Kit Kats. Just looks like regular Kit Kat from the outside. It's nothing spectacular. Hope everybody's staying safe. Hope everybody's staying safe. You might see my dog because he's in my face right now, but I'm gonna show you. This is what they look like. You guys can see. So this is what they look like. Move. This is what they look like. So they are there's the regular Kit Kat. There are sprinkles inside. And okay, so okay, I mean, like, I don't know if y'all see his nose, but I mean, baby, this is chocolate. You definitely cannot have this. But first, I would say when you bite into it, you do, like, there are real sprinkles inside. So there's an extra layer of crunch on top of the cat part. It's an extra layer of crunch that the sprinkles give you, and it's in a white chocolate. It's just like the regular white chocolate Kit Kat with sprinkles, basically. And it's not bad, but if you're a fan of sprinkles, I feel like you would really enjoy this Kit Kat. I'm not too big of a fan on, you know, regular birthday cake sprinkles. I always scooch them off, but it just tastes like a regular white chocolate Kit Kat with sprinkles. That's really all that it looks like. Also, it's extremely sweet. It's more sweet than the white. It's more sweet than the white Kit Kat, and it's extremely more sweet than the dark chocolate Kit Kat. If you guys enjoyed this food review, leave a like, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell too. And I will see y'all later on with more. And let me know what other foods y'all want to see me review, to taste. Just give your girl something to go off of. And I will see y'all next time. Peace.